Hello, I'm Kyle Bratch, I'm Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce you to and give you a detailed breakdown of the Avalon Carbonite Mesh Jacket from Klim. This Avalon jacket's going to be the absolute coolest riding jacket that you could purchase currently on the market when it comes to women's gear. The Carbonite Nylon Mesh is a mil-spec mesh that flows significantly more, almost 40% more air than a traditional mesh jacket. They got around that by creating the nylon mesh that allows it to have a nice sturdy weave that doesn't flow in the wind, causing an actual closure or blockage of wind that's passing through the jacket. The other thing this jacket features is what Klim calls their Rhinos Stitching. That's going to be a super high tenacity yarn that they use in order to put this jacket together. So that even though it has a single seam stitch or a single stitch on the seam here, it is extremely durable. The Rhino Stitch is what they call it, and it is a proprietary and trademarked yarn that's used for this particular jacket. While still on the topic of material itself, the rest of the nylon material in this jacket is going to be a 840 denier, high tenacity, 6.6 Cordura nylon. It's going to be extremely abrasion resistant, almost up there to the level of leather. It's going to be a great feature for you if you happen to have a get off and slide down the road, you know that you're 100% protected. Now, talking about sliding down the road, the impact protection on this jacket features a level 1 D3O armor in the shoulders, in the elbows, and in the back. Now, starting at the top and working our way down, let's talk about some of the specific features or details of this jacket. Up here at the neck, we have a nice fleece or microfiber collar. That's going to allow this jacket to zip up and sit comfortably around your neck. We have a zipper garage here at the top of the zipper, and then again down here at the bottom. This little flap here is going to keep the actual bottom of the zipper from making contact with the paint on your motorcycle. It's a great feature. Now, moving up here to the top, we're going to go ahead and function this zipper. This is a nice wide tooth zipper, goes all the way down the jacket, has a very smooth and seamless feel as you open and close the jacket. When it comes to external pockets on this jacket, we have 4 different pockets. We have a chest pocket, we have 2 hand warmer pockets, and we have the emergency card pocket that is also handy for credit cards and for keys. We'll get to that pocket here in just a minute. Starting here at the top, this is going to be the chest pocket. It's going to come all the way over to the armpit. So basically this whole section right here is going to be usable from a pocket standpoint. Moving down, we have 2 hand warmer pockets, 1 on each side, and it's an ample pocket. This pocket is about this big, and it moves towards the inside of the jacket and kind of sits into the hanging liner that's on the inside. Now, while talking quickly about that hanging liner, it is a moisture-wicking cooling liner. It's actually made of Klim's Climatech cooling mesh. That moisture-wicking capability of that internal hanging liner is going to allow you to have a cooling effect, an evaporative cooling effect, while wearing this Avalon jacket. The 4th pocket on this jacket is going to be this one right here on the left cuff. This little symbol here is the emergency response symbol. So if you were to have a get off or have an incident, a medical response personnel would be able to see this logo and they would know that you should have an emergency stat card here in this pocket. They'd open it up, they would pull that card out, scan it, and all your information would be inside their computer. Now, Klim gives away a free stat card with each of their jackets, so either go to Klim's website or take a look at the hang card that's going to be on your Klim jacket when you get it to be able to follow those in details or instructions. This pocket is relatively large. It comes all the way to the back side of the wrist here. It's going to be perfect for credit cards, for keys, and of course for that stat card. When looking at adjustability of this jacket, let's start here at the bottom of the wrist. We have the Velcro cuff here. So when you slip into the jacket, you're going to go ahead and fold this Velcro over. This Velcro closure is going to allow you to get that perfect fitment so that you are comfortable while wearing the jacket. Speaking of fitment and comfort, moving up here to this strap that goes on the inside of your forearm. This is going to allow you to adjust the jacket so that you can hold the D3O armor that's in the elbow in place. Now, if you happen to have an hourglass figure, Klim has worked that into the overall structure of this jacket. There are 2 zippers, 1 on each side of the jacket, that allow you to have waist relief. If you need a little bit, you just open that zipper up to the level of adjustment that you need, or if you need a lot of adjustment, we have almost 5 inches of total adjustability between those 2 zippers. Now the main mesh material is the carbonite nylon mesh that is absolutely non-forgiving. We then move out to the 840 denier high tenacity 6.6 nylon that doesn't really give either. Now as far as making this jacket fit well and have flexibility in the places that you need it, that is going to be the carbonite 4-way mesh that you're going to find here underneath the arms and all the way around the back of the shoulder of the jacket. That 4-way stretch carbonite mesh is not only going to be breathable, but it's going to give you flexibility and movement that you're going to enjoy while wearing this jacket. Take a look at the back side of the jacket. The first thing we're going to notice is that 4-way stretch material that I just talked about coming all the way up to the shoulders. That's going to allow this material to actually move and flex. You can see I can get over an inch of movement right here at the back of the shoulder, allowing you to have great flexibility and fitment while this jacket's on your person. Now before we move this jacket back around to the front, I want to point out the drop tail. You notice that the front of the jacket here is shorter and it drops down about 2.5 inches towards the rear. That's going to give you great protection at your lower back if you happen to have a get off while riding your motorcycle. Now moving the jacket back around, let's take a look at the inside of the jacket. So opening this zipper, we're going to peel this back and notice that we have no pockets on the inside over here. But on this right-hand side, or your left-hand side, we're going to have a nice large zippered pocket here at the bottom. The pocket is going to be the size of the seam that you see here coming across, so it's nice and big. The other thing you're going to notice while we have the jacket in this position is you can see directly through this jacket. The inside cooling mesh here is going to be a moisture-wicking, antimicrobial, anti-odor liner here that's going to have a cooling effect while you're wearing the jacket. A great feature for a jacket that has been made to be worn in hot weather. And there you have it. That there is the detailed breakdown of the Avalon carbonite mesh jacket from Klim. If you have any questions about this jacket, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you extremely quickly. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to have more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and more importantly, the notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.